Hi everyone. If you're also tired of paying expensive per user CRM licensing fees for tools that just slow your team down, we found a better way. We built this custom CRM at our Hasi for our own internal operations using Amazon Quick, and we did it in under 48 hours. In this video, I'll be walking you through the app, which is currently populated with dummy data. So, to show you how it's faster, way cheaper, and tailored exactly to our business outcomes, and it can be to yours too. Everything starts with getting your data in smoothly. With our bulk upload option feature on the right, users can download a template to ensure their formatting is always perfect. To maintain data integrity, the system actually acts like a bouncer. So if someone tries to upload duplicate records or does it by mistake, the system flags and blocks them instantly before they ever hit the database. This ensures we are working with clean data from day one. Now, in the accounts module, instead of a giant boring list of names, users are immediately greeted by a live KPI dashboard. So now you can see exactly where your revenue is, broken down by stage and sales channel. Opening an account brings the whole picture together. Projects, contacts, everything is hyperlinked and just one click away. The real magic, though, is in the document section. For example, with an uploaded NDA, instead of reading through 10 pages of legal jargon to find a single clause, we just use the integrated AI search bar. So now we type what we need and it extracts the exact detail instantly and we keep moving on. The opportunities module. This uses the same intuitive setup. It provides a bird's eye view of deal phases, total values, and even the team's workload to optimize resource allocation, along with those same AI document capabilities. For the contacts module, we keep it incredibly straightforward. People are either explicitly linked to an active deal or they sit as independent contacts. And to make sure nobody ever has to hunt for a file again, every single document across all these modules is pooled together in a central documents tab. Finally, and my favorite feature, is the blue chat icon on the top right, which opens our global AI assistant, which is a massive operational time saver. Users can communicate with it using natural language. They can ask it to pull up the Q3 pipeline or tell it to update a phone number, and it handles it instantly. Because data security is everything, and we hard coded strict guardrails. The AI can manage and update data, but it can never delete a record. You get the speed of AI with zero risk. We followed the Zero Trust AI framework to incorporate this. The bottom line is that Amazon Quick allowed us to strip away all the bloated software complexity. We're saving countless administrative hours, and most importantly, we completely eliminated those massive CRM licensing costs. We went from an idea to this is a fully functional tool in less than 2 days. Thank you.